My name is Rachel Bradley. I am the Director of Resource Development for Sisu Youth Services. Sisu Youth is a youth shelter. We provide shelter and care for homeless and at-risk youth in Oklahoma City. So we do 3 main programs. It's going to be our emergency shelter, our resource drop-in center, and then case management for those youth to kind of help them get to the place that they want to be. Money like this makes a huge difference for a small organization, so we're really excited about what we can do with that. Just last week we had a couple of kids come in that were with us last year, and they came to us as minors and they had some special circumstances. You know, they're too young to be able to sign a lease, they were struggling to get through school, but we were able to help them with all of those things. And they actually came back in and wanted to show off their graduation gown and their cap, and so being able to have resources like this really helps us make an impact in kids' lives and help them build the future that they want. We were lucky enough to get a Tabor check last year, and that came in February, right before everything got crazy, and so it really helped us to be able to staff the shelter once volunteers weren't able to come in anymore, and really be able to provide those services that were almost non-existent for youth anywhere else. So thank you guys so much. This means it's such a big deal for us to be able to have this kind of funding and support from the community.